In this video, I will show you how to connect Supabase with VS Code. So you don't basically directly connect Supabase to Visual Studio like a plugin login. Usually this means using Supabase inside your VS Code projects, connecting your app to a Supabase backend or using the Supabase extension /CLI. So basically what you can do inside VS Code is open the extensions on this left panel. Just go to this and click on extensions. Here you will have to search for Supabase. So once you do that, as an example, let me just write this correctly. So Supabase, here as you can see, you'll find this that is made by supabase.com. So it's the official one. So all you need to do here, just go and click on install. Of course, trust the publisher and stuff and wait for the extension until it is installed. Of course, make sure to install only the official extension if you want the database/project tools inside of VS Code. And then as an example, you can go to Supabase, create a project and wait for the database setup. And of course, keep in mind if you get this extension depends on an extension that is disabled, you can go and click on show dependencies, and all you need to do just go and enable this extension as well, since the other extension or since Supabase needs it. And of course, with any dependencies, you will have to do that as well. Now you will have to basically go to your Supabase and create a project. So as an example, we are right here. I do have a project, no need to create one. For you will have to create a project and wait for the database setup. So click on the project to go to the project settings. And of course, we will need to get the project settings and go to API. So you'll need to copy both the project's URL and of course the public /a anon API key, because you will need these to connect your app. So the anon, you will find it right here. And of course, you can go back then to your VS Code. And from here, you can, as example, go and open your projects in VS Code, open your app projects and folder, as example, a React app, Next.js app, Node.js project. And you can open, as example, the terminal and basically run npm install add supa base dash or slash supa base dash gs, and this basically should install for you the Supabase JavaScript client. Of course, you'll need just to write this correctly. So Supabase and Supabase as this. And normally, so you don't mind like the error that I have here. Normally, if you do have like your project and folder ready, you'll be able to install the Supabase SDK or basically the JavaScript client. And you can, of course, then go and create your Supabase client files just by using, like an example, supabase.js. Of course, once you install that, for me, it's not installed yet. And of course, then you can add your whatever you want. An example, like add your JavaScript and use Supabase in your app directly. And the VS Code should be connected to your Supabase backend through the SDK. And here, as you can see on the extension like dashboard, you'll be able to see many usages of Supabase as well. Like an example, you can some of the features here is GitHub Copilot chats participation. You can just type at Supabase and you can, as example, use it in your Copilot chats, and the extension will provide your database schema as context to Copilot if you don't want to go through every annoying steps of connecting it to the web with your projects. You can use just this extension for many features, but of course, if you don't find the features that you want in this extension, you'll basically have to add it the manual and normal way. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.